now. Hi, I'm Mervin Wallace, Missouri Wildflowers Nursery owner. I've got some pots to show you here. Several of these are many years old. Some are 2 or 3, but these are one I just started the other day. And I put about 6 species in there, and some of these are going to go dormant after they flower, like the bluebells and the wild leek. But the wild leek will bloom later. And I've got some ground cover types like that one plant, and pussy toast and crested iris. This is another one that's going to go dormant, but it'll be fun to watch it if it works. It's released its larkspur. I may have to move that out of there because it likes the sun and the rest of them like the shade. This one is one that really works in pots, and I've been doing it for a long time. It's just that I sell them soon after I get them looking good because they look so good. This is Dittany, and it works good in a small pot with just one plant because pretty soon it'll just fill that all up. It comes up really early in the spring and develops its height, and then it just slowly grows the rest of the summer and puts out buds for a fall bloom. And it's one of those plants that make the ice flowers, if I said that right. This is a neat plant that if it gets dry and we run out of water in the bottom, it'll start looking bad. But this is one of the horsetails, and I'm sorry, I don't know the scientific name of it. Equus field horsetail, I think is what we call it. It's really neat because it branches instead of just being straight stems that go up, and it doesn't get very tall, at least here. In Alaska it gets big. This one is sand phlox, and it works really great in a pot. I'm a little suspicious that it may crowd out other plants that I put in the center of the pot. I didn't have one in the center of this pot though. I had another species. I just had that one. But over here, you can notice there's a difference in color. I had another plant in the middle of this pot at one point, and I don't remember what it was, but it's died out. But this has looked this good 2 years in a row now, and slowly but surely the soil is going down in it, but it could probably stay in here another year like this. After it flowers, it'll put out a green growth, new growth that will cover the pot for quite a while through the summer. Want to go down?